This place is already putting me under pressure. I must come here to trade. My name is Samuel Moonna and I'm pursuing the earth moving equipment trade. During my apprenticeship, I had done phase 1 until phase 4, which was theory training. And then I was hosted by Costco Earth Moving Equipment for my on-the-job training where I've done services, breakdowns, repairs. Every practical we've done at Fezamax, be it a diff or hydraulic troubleshooting or even cylinder head, we did it inside of our workplaces while supervised. When it came to troubleshooting, it was different. You had to know what to do, read a schematic, follow the schematic. When you went on top of a machine to change a cylinder, you had to go with certain safety precautions. I slipped off once. You have to have a passion. But when you're out in the field, you see people that will work around, they're driving a nice car, big house, they got money, and you're a tradesman. You'll never be unemployed. You'll always have a job. Just this room itself and the pressure that it took long, I mean from 2022 till now, it took long to get inside of this room. It took hard work to get inside this room. To fill that logbook in was stressful, but now we're finally here.